Are you flying a freaking a micro, bro?
I mean, his new name is TAC Micro FPV. So,
are you gonna get the drone sound?
You got a big ass hawk.
Whoop. Oh god.
Let's go with it, Dad. I want to video it.
Holy shit! I just almost hit him. What is up, YouTube? Today we're out here at the lovely park. It's a nice day. It's like 60, supposed to be 60 something degrees out here. The sun's out. It's feeling great. Out here got Tic Tac, whatever his FPV name is. He hasn't decided yet. Yeah, well, just like currently undecided.
Every single time I tried to, you're like, no, you're the
what?
Hey, we have more people coming.
Currently undecided. More people coming in the distance out there. Looks like Risky Biscuits in the distance. Don't know who else he's got with him. Looks like he might have Mike, the special Mike. Tony, Blades FPV. Got the Mookie over here ripping. We're playing a game. Harrison is he's playing songs. Oh my God, that's hilarious. Okay, so Harrison's playing like we're doing a game where like we don't know what he's fixing to play, and he plays it, and you got to fly to it no matter what. He has picked one of the greatest songs on the planet. Anyway, so let's get to some ripping. Here we go.
Sometimes I can rip off just like Mr. Still. Now I'm not the type of person to be smoking blunt, but I can easily do those tricks just like Matty Stunt. Now there is one pilot I would never dare. Everyone knows him as Johnny Share. I can't forget about my homeboy, Wild Willie. But every time I fly like him, it just turns out silly. Every Friday, I don't need a
Okay, what you just witnessed was a little bit of carnage. Well, let me show you guys what happened. So, I broke the top plate off of the frame here, but in this frame's defense, this was cracked before I took off on that flight. This one was cracked. So this one, you know, took the breakage. But this actual top plate right here, this is the prototype one. I have broke one of these before, but this was the actual prototype. So it's held up. This is the main quad that I fly all the time. Frame is still looking good. Got a little bash going on right there. I don't know what that is. But yeah, the bottom plate has been holding up great. Breaking some of these, from what I understand, Josh at Flyno has already designed something that's thicker right here, and so I'm pretty sure there is like some prototype top plates here that's not going to be broke so bad. But me and Harrison, my buddy, we went on a little scavenger hunt, and all this was spread out. He pretty much found every piece of it. Both battery straps, the Ethics face hugger that my dog has chewed up, and my quad. The GoPro somehow or another miraculously survived every bit of that. I don't know. So I got to back up one more quad today. So on to some more ripping.
Yeah, micros.
Yeah, got some micro quads with me. So maybe we may have to cut to some micro DVR before this vlog's over. But anyway, on to ripping a quad of some sort, whether it be a micro or a 5-inch. I don't know. Here we go.
Carry on my wayward son. There'll be peace when you are done. Lay your weary head to rest. Don't you cry no more. Yo!
Well, just so y'all know, I'm off of that daggone work schedule that I've been on, back on day shift and everything. And some of the videos that you've seen recently of me flying my 5-inch, I just feel rusty the whole time I'm flying. I just haven't got that, you know, when you fly a pack, it was like, oh yeah, that was kick ass. But I did get one good battery pack in today, but y'all gonna have to take my word for it because I forgot to hit record on the GoPro. I'm fighting Harrison with a stick. So that it is what it is. I'm getting there. I'm coming. I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. Waiting on Magic Mike to get back up here. He's headed up here. He's got a quad way up in the top of this tree. And Harrison will not leave me alone with this damn stick. But I got the mic right here. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Ow! And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye. Hey-ya! 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 Hey-ya!